Hello guys, welcome to LNC Pro. In this video we will see what is a state under Article 12 of Constitution of India. Watch this video till the end because in this video we will see definitions of local authorities and other authorities and some important cases. In this video we will also see whether judiciary falls under the definition of state or not. I am Ratnesh Parikh. So let's start. State under Article 12 is not what we understand from the general idea of a state. It is entirely different. According to Article 12, state includes four things: the government and Parliament of India, the government and legislature of a state, all local authorities, and other authorities. Next question is, why do we need a different definition for state? As most of the fundamental rights provided to the citizens are claimed against the state and its instrumentalities, and Article 13 Clause 2 prohibits state from making any law that is violative of fundamental rights. And this is why Article 12 defines the term state for the purpose of Article 13 and other provisions concerning fundamental rights. But most of us are confused about what is covered under local authorities and other authorities, and that's why we will discuss these two things in detail. So now let's see what is covered under local authority. General Clauses Act 1897 subsection 31 of section 3 says that municipal committee, district board, body of commissioner and other authorities that have power to control or manage a municipal or local fund given by the government are included in local authority. According to entry 5 of list 2 of 7 schedule, local authority includes municipal corporation, improvement trust, district boards, mining settlement authorities, and other local authorities for village administration. In Ajit Singh vs. State of Punjab, it was said that village panchayat is also a local authority. Now let's see what is other authority. The term other authorities in Article 12 has not been defined anywhere, and thus it has been interpreted by courts depending on the facts and circumstances of different cases. In University of Madras vs. Shantabai case, Madras High Court held that authorities exercising sovereign functions come under authorities, but the term other authorities does not include persons, whether natural or juristic. In Rajasthan Electricity Board vs. Mohanlal, it was held that a state electricity board set up by a statute having commercial functions to discharge would come under the purview of other authorities under Article 12. Because under Article 298, government is empowered to carry on any trade or commerce. Next case is Sukhdev Singh vs. Bhagat Ram. In this case, it was held that three statutory bodies like LIC, ONGC and FCI are authorities and fall within the term state in Article 12 because these corporations were created by the statutes. They had the statutory power to make binding rules and regulation. They were subject to the persuasive government control. It was said that these corporations do have independent personalities in the eyes of law, but that does not mean they are not subject to the control of the government or they are not instrumentalities of the government. Next case is the very important AJAY HASIA vs. KHALID MUJIB case. In this case, Justice Bhagwati discussed various factors relevant for determining whether a body is an instrumentality or agency of the state. These factors are: first, if the entire share capital of the corporation is held by the government, where the financial assistance of the state is so much as to meet almost entire expenditure of the corporation, where the corporation enjoys monopoly status which is state conferred or state protected, existence of deep and persuasive state control, if the functions of the corporation are of public importance and closely related to government functions, if a department of the government is transferred to corporation. Now when we have seen what bodies are covered under state, next question pops up in our mind is judiciary included in the word state. The judicial view is that the judgments of the courts cannot be challenged on the ground that they contravene fundamental rights. Courts, while performing judicial functions, would not come under the definition of state, but when they are performing non-judicial functions, they would come under the term state. In Naresh versus State of Maharashtra, it was held that function of court is to decide the controversy between the parties and nothing more. The judiciary, while exercising its rule-making power under Article 145, would be covered by the expression state within the meaning of Article 12, but while performing its judicial functions, it is not so included. In A.R. Antulya versus R.S. Nayak, it was held that courts could not pass an order or issue a direction which would be violative of fundamental rights. Thus, it can be said that expression state includes judiciary also. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it. And follow us for lectures on law subjects, chartered accountant, company secretary, cost and management accounts, and much more. Thank you.